Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular computers, laptop sales and rental services, how we can utilize by Instagram account? So I'm starting new Instagram account within a 1 or 2 days time. So can I get the leads from the Instagram? Not like that. So any Instagram account, first of all, you can create it. When you are posting for regular any videos, when you're posting for regularly, what are the video we can create by using Canva option? And which video we will be promoting here? Just copy that video and post onto your particular Instagram account. What are the video you making will be here. The video will be making in this option will be utilize the particular we can using for original. Click for next. And what are the cover image you can utilize will be here. Utilize your particular cover image. Click for next. And what are the text will be here. Copy the text. And after that, we can utilize the complete information. What are the information we can pass the users and pass your particular information. Now click here. After that, what are the image you design will be in this. The video we can convert into image also. What's the purpose? This image we can upload your story on your Instagram account, not for Facebook. Right now, I'm uploading will be only for Instagram account. When people will be click here, they maybe go to your WhatsApp number or maybe your Google Map location. Right now, this is I'm using for the now sticker will be utilized in this. So they will be helping this particular poster option, text, and what are the things you are crap. So what are the we can using for sequence, full, everything will be here is the option. I'm using always version option. So anything will be required, you can add will be here is the option. Click for share your particular story. So the story will be helping to the particular audience. Anybody came to your Instagram page, your profile, they will be click here. They can story visible in this option. They will easily contact your particular laptops. So this will be helping to the particular audience to increase the views and getting for more customer for Instagram account. So properly follow will be video. Every video mention the phone number on the above. That will be helping to the customers get the calls and leads by using Instagram video. Why? Because the people not watching the information. The reason is called they will be visible by number into the your screen. They easily people will looking for any services. They contact your particular phone number. If any further issues, how to sell your laptops and anything, any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.